Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and today we will go over some practice questions regarding oral surgery. Good luck. Okay, let's start with an easy one. Which muscle moves the jaw forward and medially? Look at the answer choices and pause the video. So here, the answer is B. So the lateral pterygoid muscle pulls the condyles anteriorly and also medially. Okay, question number 2. What is the most common surgical complication during or after a sinus lift? Pause the video and take a look at the answers. Let's go through the answers. So, losing an instrument inside the sinus is something that could potentially happen. It doesn't happen too often though, but let's keep